Good morning, students. In previous period, we have learned about packing efficiency in body-centered cubic lattice. Now today we are going to study packing efficiency in face-centered cubic lattice. In face-centered cubic lattice, there are four particles present in unit cell. One particle is present at the eight corners of unit cell and three particles are present at the center of faces of cubic unit cell. Each face acquire half particle. So here we have to calculate percentage of packing efficiency in cubic lattice. So here diagram is given. There is one particle present at the center and here two particles like this. So actually here 1 by 8 portion of particle present at the corner and here in at the center of face half particle is present and then 1 by 8 portion of particle present at this corner. So packing efficiency in face centered cubic lattice. Consider here R is the radius of sphere, then A edge length of unit cell. Now here consider this right angle triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, here angle B is of 90 degree. In right angle triangle ABC, here BC is hypotenuse and AB and BC are the sides. So by using theorem of Pythagoras, here AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So putting the values from diagram, here AB is edge length small a, also BC is edge length which is small a. So a square plus a square 2a square. So AC square equal to 2a square. By taking square root, AC will be root 2a. Now from diagram, here AC is, so here R is radius of particle, then this R plus R diameter of this half particle and here R. So R plus R 2R plus R 3R plus R 4R. So comparing these two values from 1 and 2, so here root 2a equal to 4R. Therefore R is equal to root 2a upon 4. So 4 is equal to 2 into 2. So 2 into root 2 into root 2. This root 2 will get cancelled. So here R will be a upon 2 root 2. R is equal to a upon 2 root 2. Now volume of sphere. We know that volume of sphere formula is 4/3 pi r cube. Four by 3 pi r cube. Now substitute the values of r in terms of a. So it will 4 by 3 pi a upon 2 root 2 brackets cube. So it will 4 by 3 into pi into a cube upon here cube of 2 root 2. Cube of 2 root 2 will be, so here cube of 2 is 8 and root 2 into root 2 into root 2. So 2 root 2. So cancelling this 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So it will pi a cube upon pi a cube. Pi a cube upon pi a cube upon 3 into 2 6 into 2 12 root 2. 12 root 2. So this is volume of only one particle. Here total volume of particles. So there are 4 particles present. So total volume of particles. Here 4 particles are present. One at the 8 corners of cube and 3 are the present at each faces. So half particle is present at the center of each faces of cubic cell. So here 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So pi a cube upon 3 root 2. Pi a cube upon 3 root 2. This is total volume of particles. This was volume of one particle. This was volume of one particle. And here total volume of 4 particles. Now packing efficiency, the volume occupied by particles in unit cell upon total volume of unit cell into 100. So put here values. Volume occupied by this 4 particle is pi a cube upon 3 root 2 upon total volume of this cube is a cube. Total volume is a cube. So this a cube will get cancelled. Into 100. So here again volume occupied by particle in unit cell is pi a cube upon 3 root 2 and total volume is a cube into 100. So this a cube will get cancelled. So pi upon 3 root 2 into 100. So pi into 100 upon 3 root 2 is equal to 74 point something, so it is approximately 74%. Now unoccupied space or void is 100 minus 74. Unoccupied space in this face centered cubic lattice is 100 minus 74, that is 26%. So in this way we have calculated packing efficiency and unoccupied space. Here we have considered this triangle ABC. Here angle B is of 90 degree. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, then A square plus A square 2A square, taking square root, AC equal to root 2A. So from diagram AC is 4R. So comparing this two values, we will get here R equal to root 2 into A upon 4. So R is equal to A upon 2 root 2. So volume of one sphere is, here formula of sphere, volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So volume of one particle is 4 by 3 pi, and here we have written value of R in terms of A. So A upon 2 root 2 brackets cube. After calculating, here volume of one particle is pi A cube upon 12 root 2. So total volume of 4 particles is equal to 4 into this value, that is pi A cube upon 12 upon root 2. So 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So pi A cube upon 3 root 2. So packing efficiency, volume occupied by particles in unit cell upon total volume of unit cell into 100. So after calculation, here packing efficiency of FCC is 74% and unoccupied space is 26%. Thank you.